Hello everyone. Today I am going to present the conformal mapping. So first of all, I will explain what is a conformal mapping, what is a translation, magnification, rotation and inversion. So first, definition of conformal mapping. Let W is equal to Fz is equal to u plus iota v be a transformation which maps every point of z plane to a point of w plane if c1 and c2 are two curves in z plane which are intersecting at a point p x0 y0, and the other two curves c1 dash and c2 dash are the corresponding curves under the transformation w is equal to f of z. Then such type of transformation is said to be conformal if the angle between the curves c1 and c2 is the same both in magnitude and sense as between c1 dash and c2 dash. If we see the graphical representation and z plane as well as w plane, so this is a curve C1, this is a curve C2, and angle between both curve is denoted by alpha. And both the curve intersect at a point P x0 y0. So this point P transform into a point P dash in W plane. So in the W plane, because W is equal to f of z is equal to u plus iota v, so real axis is u, imaginary axis is v. So the curve C1 transform as the curve of C1 dash and curve C2 transform as the curve C2 dash. So the graphical representation of the point P to the z plane into the point P dash in the W plane is this one. So between the angle between C1 and C2 dash is the same alpha. Now if the point z0 maps into the point w0 is equal to f of 0, or in other words we can say that if the point z maps to into the point w is equal to f of z in w plane, then z0 is called the image of z. So if we consider an example, say function w is equal to f of z is equal to z square. So in that case, w is u plus iota v is equal to x plus iota y whole square, and expand the whole square of x plus iota y. So we obtain x square minus y square plus twice iota xy. Now compare both sides real and imaginary parts. Then we obtain u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy. So both the equations of transformation from z plane to the w plane, that is this equation u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy, uh, transformation from z plane to w plane. Now next point related to conformal transformation. At origin in the z plane maps into the origin in the w plane. That is, if this is z plane and in the z plane, say this will be the origin. So in the same way, in the w plane, that is uv axis, this origin o map the same as the origin o dash. So in that case, at origin 0 0 in the z plane maps into the origin in the w plane. Second point, the point A, B, C in the z plane, that is if we have a transformation w is equal to z square, and in this transformation the 3 points A, B, C in the z plane, then the points in the w plane are, then the points in w plane are 4008 and -40 and -40. So how to compute the points in the w plane? Because we have u is equal to x square minus y square, and v is equal to twice xy, and points on the z plane are 2 0, 2 2, and 0 2. So in that case, if we, that is in the z plane points denoted by xy, and in the w plane points denoted by uv, it means when we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, then u is equal to, 4. And when we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 here, then v is 0. Similarly, if we put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, then 2 square is 2 square is 4, to 2 square is 4, that is 0. And when we put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, so it will be 8. Similarly, when we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, so the minus 4, and x is equal to 0, then 0. So here we obtain the 4 points 4008 and minus 4. And if we plot the graph of the z plane as well as the w plane, so in the z plane the point a20, that is here, and point a b22, that is 2 comma 2, and point 02, that is this one, that is this point transform into w plane as as say this point A transform as the A dash means 40, point B transform as the B dash, and B dash is 04, and point C transform as the C dash, that is minus 40. That is a square in the Z plane transform as a triangle in the W plane. So this is W plane. Now next, first point is translation. Translation means, uh, suppose we have a mapping w is equal to z plus z naught, where z naught is a complex constant. So in that case, let z naught is equal to, because z is equal to x plus iota y, so z naught is equal to x naught plus iota y naught. So w is equal to u plus iota v, and w is z plus z naught, so x plus iota y plus x naught plus iota y naught. Now separate the real and imaginary parts, so we obtain x plus x naught plus iota y plus y naught. So compare both side real and imaginary parts, so u is equal to x plus x naught, and v is equal to y plus y naught. Thus the point zxy is transformed to the point WUV, that is x plus x naught, y plus y naught. Hence, the image of any figure in the z plane is exactly the same figure in the W plane, except that the location is changed with respect to the origin. That is, if we if we uh, define if we uh, explain the z explain the z sorry, if we uh, locate the point z in the z plane, then this is z is equal to x plus iota y, because this distance is x and this distance is y, so this is a point in the z plane, and this point transform into the w plane, because this x transform into u is equal to x plus x naught, and v is equal to y plus y naught. If x naught is 1, y naught is 1, so x plus 1, y plus 1, so this point transform as a w is equal to z plus z naught. Now for example related to translation, let we have a mapping w is equal to z plus 2, where z is equal to x plus iota y. So we know that w is u plus iota v, z is x plus iota y plus 2. So x plus iota y plus 2 means x plus 2 plus iota y. Compare both side real and imaginary part, then we obtain u is equal to x plus 2, v is equal to y. So in that case, if we plot the graph related to given mapping along to the given complex number z is equal to x plus iota y, so complex number z is equal to x plus y, locate here in the z plane, this distance is x, this distance is y, so this is a point in the z plane. Now in the w plane, this distance transform, that is this distance transform to x plus 2, and this distance is say same y. So uh, this point is z plus 2, that is w is equal to z plus 2. Now if we taking the another example related to translation, let a mapping w is equal to z plus 2 iota, where z is equal to x plus iota y. So in that case w is u plus iota v, z is x plus iota y plus 2 iota. So separate real and imaginary parts, so it will be x plus iota y plus 2, and compare both side real and imaginary part, u is equal to x and v is equal to y plus 2. Now if we locate the z point in the z plane, so the graphical representation of uh, point z in the z plane in this way, that is this distance is x, this distance is y, and this z point transform uh, with the this distance, that is in the w plane, the distance u is displays x, and distance v displays y plus 2. So this is a point w is equal to z plus 2i in the w plane, in the w plane. So in the next lecture we will discuss magnification, rotation and inversion. Thank you.